Yan, ano yan? Wow!
Itakpan mo, tapos ikaw ibubukas.
Ako magbubukas?
Tapos ito daw ilalagay mo. Na yan eh.
Ano to? Ikaw ba nagluto niyan? Is this for me? Thank you. Anong food to? Pansit? What? Halo-halo? Sabaw? Thank you. Come on, let's eat.
This water and halo-halo.
Okay. Mama will eat na.
No.
Why? Use knife. Sarap naman, baby.
Oh.
Sarap ng luto, baby, ah. Ang sarap naman ang luto ng baby na yan. I'm finished.
I go in water.
Done.
And halo-halo.
And halo-halo.
Dala you home.
Yummy.
Dala you home.
Dala yung take out ka, take out. Okay na, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.